delivering faster, safer, and more accurate gold analysis. Chrysos PhotonAssay is an environmentally friendly replacement for fire assay on-site and in the laboratory. Applicable across the entire value chain, PhotonAssay adds value from grade control and exploration samples through to stockpiling and ore blending, analysis of process plant slurries, and biocellar concentrate analyses. Prior to analysis, each PhotonAssay sample is sealed inside a plastic jar. The samples are then weighed and entered into the system. As the technology is completely non-destructive, each jar is labelled with a unique identifier, enabling all samples to be retained for further testing if required. To maintain calibration and ensure all results remain accurate and unbiased, the system temporarily attaches a reusable reference disk to each sample during the activation and measurement processes. This methodology enables PhotonAssay to analyze samples with high precision within an applicable range of 0.01 grams per tonne through to 35,000 grams per tonne. The sample jar and reference disk are then positioned for analyses inside purpose-built shielding prior to activation. Activation of the atoms in each sample is achieved via a high-energy linear accelerator X-ray source, or LINAC for short, that produces no radiation when not powered on. The high-energy X-rays induce nuclear changes in any gold atoms present in the sample, exciting their atomic nuclei into a short-lived state known as an isomer. The activated atoms emit a unique signature that can be measured to determine gold content. Both the source X-rays and signature gamma rays are extremely penetrating, meaning that a true bulk analysis of large samples, including crushed or pulverized rock, mineral process pulps, slurries, and solutions, is quickly and easily achieved. After a period of irradiation, typically 15 to 20 seconds, the sample is transferred rapidly to a detector station using a robotic shuttle. As the excited gold nuclei relax back to the ground state, they emit gamma rays with a characteristic energy of 279 keV. The sensitive detector system records and counts these gamma rays. Processing software then relates the strength of the gamma ray signal back to the concentration of gold in the sample. The whole process takes as little as 2 minutes. Different elements produce different characteristic gamma ray signatures, allowing concentrations of different metals to be measured. By adjusting the operating conditions of the system, it's possible to alter the relative sensitivity of the unit to target different metals or metal combinations. The activation of the samples is very short, with elements generally having half-lives ranging from seconds to a few minutes. Delivering faster, safer, and more accurate gold analysis, Chrysos PhotonAssay is an environmentally friendly replacement for fire assay on-site and in the laboratory. To access our latest presentations, technical papers and reports, contact us directly or visit the Download Centre on our website.